If you're experiencing login issues on CVS, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you are entering the correct username and password. Double check for any typos or case sensitivity. Step 2. Reset your password. If you can't remember your password, use the Forgot Password link on the login page to reset it. Follow the instructions sent to your registered email. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Certain browser extensions can interfere with website functionality. Temporarily disable any extensions and attempt to log in once more. Step 5. Contact customer support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to CVS customer support for assistance. They can help you resolve any account-related issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues quickly. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek further help.